We'll record double views. The cab view, and then there's gonna be a front view.
Everybody.
It's got the sound stream spider going.
This bike needs some grease. I can't drive, yay! I have a wheel that has no reason. Oh.
It looks like you're asleep back
You
there.
gotta get the different angles, bro.
Is this how you drive, guys? Is this how you drive?
Oh yeah, bro. Jaden, it's like getting the other angles, bro.
Dude, it is harder back there. I told you guys.
No, it's not.
I'm barely working.
The only reason it's hard is because I keep hitting my fucking knees. Hey, work hard so we can actually go. You said just a second ago you're like, I'm barely working hard.
Yeah, I wasn't working at that time. I feel like because we were going downhill.
We'll do parrot filming.
Thank you.
Freaking steer it.
Oh god.
What if there's water up here? See on the video.
There's water everywhere.
We're on the river, bitch.
So I wonder if there's water.
Dude, that's what.
Oh my god, it's the tires.
The tires are almost flat.
That's why.
Look at him. He is right. Remember some flat some bitches.
I got this, guys. I got this.
You're gonna break the thing, dude. Jaden, don't hold on to that.
Relax there.
It'll break. Woo. Hey, Kayden.
What?
Videos on videos.
Yeah!
Videoception.
Oh, hill. Let's go. Come on.
Are you guys gonna like put this together?
No. We don't know how.
I can do it.
Or time.
Oh god. Oh god.
So look, we're getting raped. Ow, my knee again. Okay. I got it right up front.
Break for a minute.
My knees are getting hurt.
Alright, don't pedal. Just
So bad.
right now.
Oh, owie.
I'll pedal. Yeah. Break.
All right. Oh,
That really feels.
I want to drive.
I want to drive.
I got to do something else.
You want to
We don't fit in the back. I got.
I want to ride the back.
Alright. Oh, dude.
Bruh, you're riding in the basket?
Can I drive?
You lost it.
Sure.
Yay. I used to drive, guys.
And then Kayden drives next.
Oh wait, that's half our manpower just gone now.
Yep.
God damn it. Guys,
on, guys.
let's go. Oh god damn! Fuck!
You gotta see her, dude.
I got it. Okay.
Sorry if I was showing my crotch.
Let's go. Roll power!
No,
He's a witch.
Shush.
Oh, turn!
Hey, everyone be quiet for a second. Does everyone hear that rain?
It's painful!
It's raining so hard. I'm probably gonna have to end the video.
Oh god,
Jaden, you gotta steer.
I'm steering like no other man.
How's the front?
I pitched out at the perfect time, dude.
You gotta like steer, bro.
I am, damn! Come on, Sam! Oh, I can't go faster!
Y'all gotta push.
Well,
Really?
my shoe came untied, so I gotta tuck it in, okay? Now let's go!
I think we need our manpower back in.
No, you just need to push.
That'll
be a sponsor. Because I got the broken
I got
freaking.
this.
I don't know what. Bro, steer. I don't know what
steering, damn
company
it.
that is, but.
Do I need to drive, Jaden?
I have it.
Sponsor us, bitch.
Stop the video. Let's stop here in a minute.
Bell.
Fuck.
Bell, we would love a sponsorship because these bikes are awesome.
They're awesome. They just need a little diesel.
No.
Fuck.
Isaac, you're too fat to ride.
I'm out of power.
All right, break. Kayden, swap.
Alright, wait, swap who?
You're right, you're driving, Kayden.
Oh, fuck it.
Wait, hang on.
Get in the goddamn basket, bitches!
You'll be the basket bitch.
Alright.
Woo, this is cold, bees. I know.
You don't have to sit all the way up there, Jaden.
I'm just getting
going.
in, guys!
Woo! I'd laugh so hard if you fell.
I would too. The steering wheel's wet.
The Titanic all over again.
I can't have my phone out there. It's raining too hard.
So, do I need to
Bruh, put that in your pocket or I don't.
Where's my glove?
Does the chain just come off?
I think so.
Bruh!
There's no way. Seriously? Here, I'm mechanic. I got this, guys.
Wait,
it just went back on. Oh, guys, get back off. Come on.
go?
Come on.
You want me to hold those?
Hold on.
Kayden, you gotta like clip these to your shirt.
Yeah.
I don't want to hold them. I got a phone in my hand.
Oh, that sounds awful.
I know. I think it's just mine. I think you guys are gonna have to pedal.
Well, quality, bruh.
I don't know. I think it's mine and Isaac. I don't know.
There's a buckle.
What?
There's a buckle in our chain.
Wait.
Wait,
What?
we gotta go forward a little bit more. Go forward.
There's a.
Oh, I see. All right. Ugh.
All right. Wait, stop. I wish I know why there's a buckle.
What is that?
Because fat man.
Why is there a... What?
What?
Where the hell did that come from?
What is it?
It's a buckle.
All right, go forward again. Forward. Forward. All right, stop.
Wait, you good?
Man, my phone is soaked and F off rain. Man, we got work at 3 and we're gonna be soaked.
All right, stop.
Mother effer.
I already got that. Let's see.
All right, let's see if that
All right. Probably gonna have to end this video because I don't know how much storage I got.
Let's go.
And my mom don't get wet. You guys are probably gonna love the close-ups of me, aren't you?
Oh yeah.
Oh, my ass, guys.
It's raining.
Oh,
No! Best not be farting out there.
You got the ugliest eyes on the planet, Kayden.
You can see the whole thing like, F me. We're gonna be soaked, dude. Probably have to go home and change. At least shirts. I know, we're like, alright, let's go. Alright, I'm have to end the video. My phone's getting wet.
just can't
Subscribe and like if you like this random crap.
Bye, guys.